So I got one that's stuck on here. Oh, the joy. Which you wouldn't think would be happening, because I just had them off the other day, but it is. So let's see what's going on here. I got my light and my glasses so I can see if this is turning it off. Shocks my light out. This light will do that. It'll turn itself off if you give it a shock. Done this side, and then I got more fun stuff. Just got a package from the FedEx man. He brung me a speedometer sensor for this Jeep. I had ordered one up a while back because speedometer don't work, and I seen a lot of fellers putting speedometer sensors on their Jeeps, and they made them work. And I thought, well, if that made them work, maybe I ought to try that. So I went and ordered me up one. Oh, the joy. Let's see if these ones are going to come off without giving me a hard time. You never know, do you? You just never know. This thing has these mixed nuts on it. Some of them got those caps and some of them don't, because when I was originally doing this, I didn't have fresh new nuts to put back on it. So the odd ones take this size right here. So I only got 3 of them here. I might have to squirt some sticky gook, some slippery gook in there to demagnetize them. Is that a good word? Demagnetize. Unstick. So let's get some. Things are being a pain, I tell you that. They are. I'm trying to do this without getting my knee all flared up again too. A little troublesome. I go a few days without being out here crawling around the floor. My knee gets feeling better. And I get out here and I mess it up again. It ain't good for me. It ain't the best thing. Dang, I say. The thing about it, once I get these new nuts on here, if it ever messes up, I won't be nearly as nervous about putting a long bar on it, to get them off. With them old nuts on there, and the history I've had with them so far, I ain't overly confident of their strength and ability. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, y'all? Well, I'd forgotten that I have 4 lug nuts back here that were the locking style that takes a key to get them off. That's why I couldn't find anything to fit them on this thing. And the only thing I had left that weren't crappy was these locking nuts, which explains why they wouldn't come off with a wrench.